जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 299th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Kamapradaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who gives, who fulfills all the wishes of each and every one. Eko bahunam yo vidadhati kaman. Some devotees might ask, "Oh Bhagavan, I don't need anything, I just need you." You will give yourself to them. Some devotees might ask some other worldly benefits, worldly fruits, mundane fruits. You will give to them whatever they ask. Like this, unlike other devatas giving just one or two fruits, but you will give all kind of fruits to all kind of devotees. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Kamapradaya Namaha. Om Kamapradaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them are living on Chitrakuta Parvatam, the mountain. One day, Rama Lakshmana got up early in the morning and they concluded all their Sandhya Vandanam and everything. And then Ramachandra Swami has taken Sitamma to show entire Chitrakuta Parvatam. Ramachandra Swami wanted to take Sitamma to all the places on Chitrakuta Parvatam so that Sitamma would feel so much relaxed, so also he would also feel so much relaxed. Now Ramachandra Swami has taken Sitamma and showing, "Oh Sita, look at this Chitrakuta Parvatam. It is looking so beautiful and it is so pleasant. You know what? Even though I came away from all my relatives, all my friends, and also I lost my Rajyam, my kingdom, yet I am not feeling so much of worried because of this Chitrakuta, the mountain, the pleasantness here. I kind of forgot every of those things. I don't feel any grief. Oh Sita, look at this mountain. So many varieties of birds, so many varieties of herbs, so many varieties of trees, and also here all kind of wild animals are there on this mountain. But you know what, Sita? Because those wild animals are living along with all great rishis, munis on this mountain, because of the association of great rishis, those wild animals forgot their wildness. They also became so gentle. Such is the power of this Chitrakuta Parvatam. Oh Sita, Devatas also coming here and there, and they are wandering here and there on this Chitrakutam. Do you see that? Oh Sita, some of the divine categorized people like Kinnaras also wandering here and there. There are so many waterfalls, Sita. Look at those waterfalls. And also Sita, because so many wonderful fragranceful flowers all over on this Chitrakuta mountain, those fragrances coming to our noses like anything. It is giving us so much great feeling. Oh Sita, that is why I am feeling so much relaxed here. I don't really, the Ayodhya does not come to my mind so often now because of the relaxation I am getting here. Oh Sita, I think even if we are able to, even if we ended up staying years together, we will be doing okay here because we don't really feel like going back to Ayodhya. To that extent, this Chitrakutam is giving me so much pleasantness. Oh Sita, you know what? With this Vanavasam, I got two main benefits. One benefit is I was able to fulfill whatever my father asked. Pitruvakya Paripalana, that I could do. And the another benefit that I got is I could give the most best thing to my brother Bharata, that is kingdom. These two benefits I got with this Vanavasam. Oh Sita, and also like this, even our elderly people, even our ancestors, like our grandfathers, great-grandfathers, I heard they used to come like this to the forests to live here for few years with all their control, conquering their organs, sensory organs. They used to live here like rishis, so that with the help of that kind of Vanaprastham, that kind of conquering the sensory organs, that kind of tapasya, they were able to attain moksham. That is what I heard, Sita. So now we can also live here and in the entire forest for 14 years with all of our Indriya Nigraham. Let us just control, conquer our sensory organs, and with all kind of rules and regulations while following the prescriptions of our scriptures, let us live in this forest for 14 years, and then we can definitely enjoy our kingdom and pleasures of the kingdom after 14 years. Like this, Ramachandra Swami having a nice conversation with Sita Devi while going here and there on Chitrakuta Parvatam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 32nd sloka of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaha Pavanaha Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakrutka Kamaha Kamapradah Prabhuhu. Om Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Kartika Paurnami, November 29th, Sunday, Sri Satyanarayana Swami Vratam. According to America Central Time, 6:45 p.m. According to Bharat timings, that will be on 30th November, Monday, 6:15 a.m. So this will be exclusively in only English. And for Bharat, it is coming on Kartika Somavar. So this is very auspicious, great opportunity, and we will be able to do this one within 1.5 hours. I request all devotees join this Satyanarayana Swami Vratam and get all divine benefits. Om Kamapradaya Namaha. Om Kamapradaya Namaha. Om Kamapradaya Namaha.